Easy to make welcomes you. Today I will show you how to do reverse decoupage. In earlier video we did decoupage using tissue papers and magazine papers. Here I am taking this glass plate. I have removed its sticker. Sticker can be removed using hot water, acetone or alcohol. Even you can use nail polish remover to remove it. Here we need Mod Podge. I am taking Fevicryl Mod Podge, then Fevicryl acrylic colors, a tissue paper, any design you can take, a flat brush. To clean the glass plate, nail polish remover, taking 2-3 drops of nail paint remover in a napkin and just wipe it from back side. Plate should be clear, transparent. Taking this tissue paper according to the size of this plate, I will apply on the center part of this plate, something like this. For this I am taking Mod Podge in a plate. Now remove the backside layers of the tissue paper very carefully. Do it slowly without damaging the design. There are two papers, I will remove both. Very carefully and slowly you have to do this. After removing the paper, it should look like this, a thin and a transparent paper. Now it's ready to use. Apply Mod Podge using your flat brush on the plate. Starting from one corner to another, apply like this. Just spread the glue. Now place the paper upside down. As it is a reverse decoupage technique, gently place the paper. Again take Mod Podge, apply it on plate like this. And stick paper very carefully. Stick the tissue very carefully. Gently press with your fingers. Repeat the same on the other side. There should be no wrinkles in the paper. Check the sides of this paper. Wherever needed, apply glue and stick it. Then take a piece of polythene and press it with sponge or fabric, any cloth you can use. then dry it. I am using hair dryer, you can use in open air. Then again apply a Modpose layer over it and dry it again. To remove the extra part of the paper, just dip your brush into water and apply it on this paper like this and tear it with your fingers. It will come out easily. Remove all excess paper and clean the plate. After cleaning it, take acrylic colors. I am taking Fevicryl brand. You can take any brand acrylic color. Apply it on the design, the tissue paper. This will highlight the design. After painting, this should look like this. You can see the difference. Cover the design with white color. This will give a highlighted look. After this, take different colors, match with your tissue paper. Like here I am using pink, green, yellow and white. Take them in a bowl. Use a sponge piece to apply these colors. Just dab it on the plate. Here I am not using brush because brush strokes remains visible. So I am using sponge piece. Just merge the colors and apply them evenly. Take random colors and just apply them. This will give a beautiful look to this plate. After finishing, apply all over the plate. Apply properly and dry it. After drying, completely drying, it should look like this. Then to highlight its corners, I am using golden color. Again taking a sponge piece and dab it on the corners, just on the border of the plate. Be careful, do it slowly and highlight the corner. Then you can use any varnish or this is the Modpose dishwasher safe. Using this you can even wash this plate. If you are using a spray varnish, just spray it all over and dry it. But here I am using Modpose dishwasher safe. So applying it all over the plate. Apply 2 coats of Mod Podge and dry it. It's ready. You can use it as a decorative piece or as a serving plate. Hope you like this video. Press subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching Easy to Make.